Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Silverado Man 61. Click that red button in the lower right hand corner. Subscribe to the channel. You'll enjoy it. It's a nice car channel I do here. Try to bring new cars every week for you guys. We got not a real Cobra, but a factory 5 kit car Cobra. It's made to look like a Cobra, but it's definitely not a real one. I think you all know that. But it is a kit car. These things are pretty cool, man. Looks like maybe a Ford 302, maybe. Not quite sure. There's factory 5. This is basically a kit car you can order from the company. You can put your own engine in it, own paint job, stuff like that. You have to build it yourself, or I guess now the company, Factory 5, I guess they can build it for you for a price. But these things really, if you got a nice engine in these things, these little light cars, they haul ass. They really do. They scoot, man. These things are like really cool though, man. Always love these little Cobras, these little kit cars. It's nothing but fiberglass, so this car probably weighs like maybe 2,000 something pounds, so it'll get up and go, man. Stick a nice little 302 in there, or some other type of Ford engine. These are real nice. Hey guys, leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think of the car. And we'll catch y'all later. Have a good one. Everybody drive safe. Click that notification bell so when I upload a video you'll know. And we'll catch y'all later. Everybody drive safe. See you in the next video.